Hello everyone. Are you new to video creation and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. Today, we're going to explore Pictory AI, an amazing tool that makes creating professional videos super easy, even if you've never edited a video before. In this video, we'll cover what Pictory AI is, how it works, its key features, and walk you through a simple example of creating a video. By the end, you'll see how Pictory can save you time and help you create stunning videos for your business, social media, or personal projects. Let's get started. Pictory AI is a cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to turn your text, blog posts, or even long videos into short, engaging videos in just minutes. Imagine having a tool that does all the hard work of video editing for you, no need for fancy software or technical skills. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, a marketer, or an educator, Pictory makes video creation simple and fun. Here's why it's so beginner-friendly. No software downloads. Pictory runs entirely online, so you can use it on any computer or mobile browser. No editing experience needed. Its AI does the heavy lifting, like selecting visuals, adding captions, and generating voiceovers. Fast results. You can create a professional video in as little as 5 minutes. Affordable. Pictory offers a free trial, and its paid plans start at just $19 per month, making it accessible for everyone. Pictory is perfect for creating marketing videos, social media content, educational videos, or even repurposing your blog posts into engaging video format. Over 10 million videos have been created with Pictory across various industries, so you know it's a trusted tool. Let's dive into the main features that make Pictory AI so powerful and easy to use. These are the tools that will help you create amazing videos without breaking a sweat. 1. Script-to-video tool. This is Pictory's star feature. You can paste a script or write a text prompt, and Pictory's AI will turn it into a video with visuals, music, and voiceovers. You don't need to record anything yourself. The AI picks matching video clips and images from a library of over 10 million royalty-free assets. 2. Blog-to-video conversion. Got a blog post? Just paste its URL, and Pictory will summarize the content, pull out key points, and create a video with visuals and captions. This is great for boosting your website's SEO and engaging your audience. 3. Video summarization. Have a long webinar, Zoom call, or podcast? Pictory can automatically extract the highlights and turn them into short, shareable clips, perfect for social media. It even removes filler words like or to make your videos sound polished. 4. Automatic captions. Did you know 85% of social media videos are watched on mute? Pictory automatically adds captions to your videos, making them more accessible and increasing viewer engagement by up to 12%. 5. AI voiceovers. Pictory offers over 70 realistic AI voices in different accents, languages, and styles. You can also upload your own voiceover or add music from their library of 15,000 plus tracks. 6. Branding customization. You can add your logo, choose your brand's colors, and select fonts to make every video feel like it's yours. This is perfect for creating consistent content for your business or YouTube channel. 7. Flexible API. For advanced users, Pictory offers an API to integrate video creation into your own systems, making it great for businesses that need to automate video production. These features make Pictory a one-stop shop for creating professional videos quickly and easily. Why should you use Pictory AI? Here are some key benefits that make it a game changer for beginners. Saves time. Instead of spending hours or days editing videos, Pictory can create a polished video in minutes. Cost. Effective. No need to hire expensive videographers or buy complex software. Pictory's affordable plans and free trial make it accessible to everyone. Increases engagement. Videos with captions and highlights keep viewers watching longer, which is great for social media and marketing. Boosts SEO. Turning blog posts into videos can improve your website's search engine rankings and reduce bounce rates. User-friendly. The intuitive interface means anyone can use it, even if you're not tech-savvy. It's as easy as using Google Docs. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or your website, Pictory helps you produce high-quality videos that grab attention. Let's walk through a simple example of creating a video using Pictory's script-to-video feature. For this example, we'll create a 30-second promotional video for a fictional coffee shop called Sunny Brews. Step 1. Sign up and start a new project. 1. Go to Pictory AI and sign up for the free trial. No credit card needed. 2. Once logged in, click Text to Video. 3. You'll see a clean dashboard with a text editor to paste or write your script. Step 2. Write your script. Here's a short script for our coffee shop. Welcome to Sunny Brews, where every cup tells a story. Our handcrafted coffee is made with love, using the finest beans from around the world. Visit us today for a cozy experience and enjoy our signature lattes. Sunny Brews, your happy place for coffee. Paste this into the text editor. Pictory's AI will break it into scenes. For example, 1 scene per sentence. Click Generate Video. Step 3. Customize the video. Visuals. Pictory automatically picks royalty-free images and video clips of coffee shops, cups, and cozy vibes. You can swap any clip for another from their library or upload your own images. Voiceover. Choose an AI voice. For example, a warm female voice with a British accent. Or upload your own. For this, we'll use an AI voice. Music. Select a cheerful background track from Pictory's music library. Captions. Turn on automatic captions to make the video accessible. Step 4. Preview and export. Preview the video to check the flow. Adjust scene timings or text if needed. Export the video as an MP4 file. For a 30-second video, it takes about 5 minutes to render. Download and share it on Instagram, YouTube, or your website. This process takes about 5 minutes, and the result is a professional, branded video ready to attract customers. Pictory AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create professional videos without the hassle. Its AI-powered features, like script-to-video, blog-to-video, and automatic captions, make it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing content on social media, or creating educational videos, Pictory saves you time and money while delivering high-quality results. Ready to try it? Head to Pictory.ai and sign up for their 14-day free trial. No credit card required. Start creating your own videos today and let us know in the comments what kind of videos you're excited to make with Pictory. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on easy content creation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to Sunny Brews, where every cup tells a story. Our handcrafted coffee is made with love, using the finest beans from around the world. Visit us today for a cozy experience and enjoy our signature lattes. Sunny Brews, your happy place for coffee.